Vending Machine by Luke Raymer. When you are happy, you believe in free will. To some extent, at least. You are free to choose, but you are boxed in with limited choices, like a vending machine. And you can live with that. But sometimes, you insert your money, and nothing comes out. And you shake the machine, and blame it on fate. This always happens to me, you say. So much for free will. But then again, maybe, sometimes, it's not fate or free will. It's just a faulty vending machine. Vending Machine was written and performed by Luke Raymer. For more content, check out darkfictionfactory.com. As always, thank you so much for listening. Until next time, take care.